¿Qué pasó? Hello everyone. I know I said on my last video, which was probably like 3 years ago, that I was gonna try to regularly upload videos and stuff like that, but shit happens anyway. So today I'm gonna be working on a Golf Mach 2 1.6 carburetor. So just come with me and I'll show you what we're gonna do today. So we're having an issue with the panel lock, and what we're gonna do is just compose it. So we need to drill the rivets out, put the new rivets in, and of course the new lock. The reason being is because the spring that used to be underneath this, it just probably is a missing in action. So we're gonna replace this, and if we got time, we might start working on the carburetors as well, because I've got some kits to rebuild it. Alright, so here's your traditional Volkswagen airbox, basically. Has a clamp at the back here, and then it was meant to, at some point, to be held, here as well. But as you can see, that's long gone as well. So that's something that I'm probably going to have to replace. You just disconnect this pipe here, if I can. Yeah, there we go. And then this comes off. Some of them, I think it broke, but normally there's a pipe that comes from here, so it gets the fresh air through there, and you can see there's sort of like some sort of a filter there as well. So here's your carburetor. There's a few things that we're gonna have to disconnect before we can take it off. You got them three at the top as well, and a few vacuum lines and hydraulic valve there, since this one will go in an automatic choke. So yeah. So the log works now, it closes and opens properly. The carburetor doesn't leak fuel anymore, so we replaced, I think it was 4 to 5 gaskets on it. I know I didn't record as much, but I was really excited, and it was, to be honest, it was the first thing that we were doing, my dad and I together. So I was really excited, and I didn't really want to, I don't know, just felt different. So anyway, I'll stop rambling. What I want to say is that next time we need a connector that goes in the carburetor that snapped, and radiator, that's the other one. Radiator is leaking, so we need that. And I believe after that there's nothing else that the car needs in terms of engine wise. Probably just do the spark plugs and your normal stuff, servicing. I think we will buy the fuel pump as well, but that's like, it's windy, so I don't know if you're gonna hear me, but we're gonna move to maybe what you call it, brakes, pads, check the drums are back, probably new shoes, and we'll see. So see you next time.